Welcome to the inaugural session of the TVE course ND-AI LLC, Advanced AI Filmmaking Class 1. This masterclass series is brought to you by The Tertiary Timeline, the groundbreaking book now available on Amazon.
Hello everybody, this is Zia and this is Kat. My book, The Tertiary Timeline, is on Amazon. Grab your copy today.
Guiding you through this journey is your instructor, 5-time Emmy Award winner, Dr. A.G. Voss. Today we dive into the bedrock of AI cinema, the art of the prompt. While we will utilize Gemini AI and Grok for their accessibility and cost efficiency, the architectural principles of prompting you learn today are the universal code for any professional AI toolset. Visualizing the scene is your first step. Let's build a world. The mental concept. A rain-slicked night in 1950s Las Vegas. Neon signs bleed vibrant colors onto the wet asphalt. A 1958 Cadillac Eldorado, black paint, gleaming stainless steel top, sits idling in front of a casino. In the background, blurred pedestrians move through the mist.
To turn that vision into reality, we need to speak the language of the lens. We don't just describe the car, we describe the film stock. We describe the aspect ratio, the camera position relative to the center of interest, and the lighting chemistry.
Observe how we translate that mental image into a high-utility prompt. The advanced prompt, Cinematic 16:9, Kodachrome LUT, high contrast. A wide-angle street shot a side shot of a rainy night in Las Vegas. Hyper-realistic reflections of pink and blue neon signs on wet pavement. Featured, a mint-condition 1958 Cadillac Eldorado with a black tuxedo finish and brushed stainless steel roof. Soft bokeh effect on pedestrians walking in the background. Moody noir atmosphere, 8K resolution. 4K, 1080p or 720p can be used if needed. ALUT or lookup table is essentially a digital math filter used in filmmaking and photography to transform the colors and tones of an image. When we use the Kodachrome LUT, which is a creative LUT used to give a film a specific vibe or aesthetic, such as the teal and orange look of blockbusters or the warm, grainy feel of vintage film stocks. In technical terms, it is a set of data that tells a computer to take an input color from your camera's raw footage and map it to a specific output color. Once you have captured the perfect frame, use the download button to save your high-resolution asset. A photo editing program like Photoshop can be used to remove watermarks if needed. This still image is your key frame. In our upcoming sessions, we will take this static shot and import it into Grok or dedicated video engines to breathe life into it. We will transform those reflections into shimmering motion and those pedestrians into a living, breathing crowd.
Class 1 is about vision. The later classes are about movement. Practice your prompting tonight. The engine is waiting for your command.